Hey, I am really excited to bring to you this brand new course on how to build a bigger, thicker chest. But you may be wondering, who am I? Well, my name is Tim Ernst, and I was formerly on the Vince Del Monte Pro team. As you can see here, I'm circled in red off to the left, and I was able to go through a major transformation where I lost 22 pounds of fat and built muscle at the same time. Here's another progress pic. As you can see, I went through an 18-week transformation phase where I was able to build a very thick and defined chest. If you look over to the left on week 1, you can see how my chest was really puffy. I was getting the so-called man boobs. And as you go through the weeks, you can see how I developed a more defined and powerful chest. Here's another picture off to the right, and you can see a better comparison as where on the left I looked very, puffy. I didn't have a whole lot of muscle there, and I went ahead and chiseled 22 pounds of fat off of my body and built a well-defined chest. I also want to mention, like I said before, I was on the Vince Del Monte Pro team, and here's a picture of all 12 of us. We went through a major transformation, and this is me off to the right, circled in red, where we all got in the best shape of our lives using the techniques and tools that I'm going to share with you in this course. I've also been featured on Muscle Camp TV, as you can see here off to the left, where they filmed all of our workouts in one of the well-known gyms here in my hometown of Tampa, Florida, Powerhouse Gym. This is also another picture of me off to the right where I was doing some really cool exercises with the ropes. Really great exercise for burning fat. But in this course, we are going to show you how to build a very well-defined chest. I also want to mention that I am the owner of turnaroundfitness.com, and this is what my blog looks like off to the right. Periodically, I will send you educational announcements for free where I will give you different articles on two things, either building muscle or losing fat. I'm also the creator of 180 Muscle. This is another very unique program that I develop for guys who don't have a whole lot of time in the gym, and it'll only take you 180 minutes a week where you'll be able to transform your body in literally 3 months. So, what are you going to get in this course? You're going to be able to build a bigger, fuller, and well-sculpted gladiator-looking chest. You'll be able to add another 1 to 2 inches to your chest. You'll be able to focus your body's mass building potential into a single muscle group and gain incredible size in a very short time frame. You'll be able to sculpt cavern-like pecs that literally force it into rapid growth. You'll be able to bring up your most stubborn part of your chest in the shortest time possible. You'll be on a different level than everyone else you know in the gym. So if you're ready to take this course, just click the green button off to the right, and I will see you inside.